Okay, 10 seconds. You already lost it.
Oh,
it's done. Try again.
Sorry, I was switching to ready. I thought we were supposed to ready.
Okay, ready?
Today is officially the start of my Golden Week here in Japan. And if you don't know what Golden Week is, a lot of people will be traveling throughout the country, so everywhere will be busy because it's a series of national holidays. And I believe for Waseda at least, we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday off. I just finished class today. Right now it's Thursday afternoon. I'm going to a cafe in Kichijoji with two of my friends. One of them, they're both from UCI actually, but one of them studies at Waseda with me and the other one is studying abroad at Hitotsubashi University. And those two don't know each other, but it'll be nice to get acquainted because we kind of have like similar majors. It's always like nerve-wracking when I combine like friend groups or when I have my friends meet each other and they don't know each other. But I'm like very particular about the vibes. Like I think so-and-so would get along and so-and-so, like I have to find some commonalities and stuff. Let's go to the cafe. Okay, so I ended up changing my outfit because the last time I saw my friend I had the same exact shirt on, so which was like a few weeks ago. I can't let her think that I only have one outfit, you know. Okay. It is really short. Oh my god, wait, is it pushable?
The taco stress hermanos, you can just search them up. Like, they'll pop up on TikTok. Just search up Japanese dude cooking tacos. Oh, okay. Yeah, you'll find them. You'll find them.
Thank you.
Yeah. But I liked him. He was chill.
The cake is so cute. Gotta hand crank it to bring your food up to the second floor.
This was 2016. I keep up with it.
Damn. Maybe I'll get one next time. Cute. Just happy to be here.
But I love the commitment to the bit because this is a normal size bathroom door, right? But the entrance to the spot is like this tiny door. Like this is how tall I am. The door is out here. Okay.
Today is Friday and I'm going to Harajuku to get my hair done. My favorite salon here in Tokyo is Made Tokyo. I've actually been wanting to do a darker shade of brown for a while, so I decided that today was the day. This is what my current hair looks like. These front pieces are a bit lighter compared to the rest of my hair for some reason, and my roots are kind of grown out now. I actually used a picture of Blackpink Jennie for a reference photo, and my friend thought it was me for some reason, so that was kind of silly, but I wish. Anyway, this process was pretty fast. It was only about an hour and a half, and there was no bleach involved. This is what my hair looks like right after washing and drying, and I think it looks pretty solid.
This is the final look. Dark brown. Kind of not used to my dark hair anymore. It's kind of crazy.
And now I'm just waiting for my friend Yassi to finish her hair appointment because even though I showed up 2 hours after she came, she's still not done, which is so silly. My hair looks so good though.
Yes, your hair looks.
Thank you. Now Yassi and I are gonna meet up with her friends Abby and Naya to go to a cafe. My friends and I kind of agreed to gatekeep this place, so I can't tell you where this is at, sorry, but this cake was amazing, the strawberry shortcake. I think it sounds like I'm bragging now, but I don't care. So this mango pudding, first time I've had it at this cafe, and 10 out of 10, really good.
I don't want people leaving your sites without that.
Okay.
They will have like a small street like that, and then they have like house on the side.
Yeah. Oh, I thought that was an American flag, but it's literally just painted.
a woody kind of.
Right, me too. Literally so America Corp. House reminds me of Parasite. I don't know if you guys can see it. Matcha ice cream. It's really nice. I'm scared of people jumping, oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Sailboat. Oh,
Why is he like flexing?
please.
Oh, why is that really like?
Oh, yeah. I don't want to get on the boat. We're almost tripping on all these rocks.
Alright, just somebody stand there.
Set up.
Can't move.
It's a long way down. Yes, ma'am. Why are you so far ahead? It's literally just someone's house. Sorry, like the windows. Yeah, I think I mixed both.
Can you make your own bakes? You have to buy the jar.
A lot of people do.
I think we also don't even know if it's like a monster.
No, look up yogurt. I like the sound of it.
I also, that's
Don't laugh at me.
Maybe. It's interesting. Yeah. Oh, this is real sound.
Let's just go do it.
In the water. Is it?
Upside down.
Is it not ears?
No, it's here. It's your hair.
Oh.
What are you
What? I do have my like half up, half down.
It's dirty.
So cute.
Where did you run? Running to it. I don't want to run. Can we like walk? Yeah, you can walk. Where is your dog? It marks the spot. this again, I think.
That was a trial run.
Okay, just to make sure we're all in the frame.
Struggling down. I don't want to look back. Oh, okay, never mind. It stopped. Yeah, we're lower to the ground right now. Yeah, I wish I wore pants. Yeah, she's like kind of in there. Kind of here. It's really good though. Go. Oh, here she is. I wonder how this like crater was made. Like. Because we're here, that makes sense. If we could see the ocean, it'd be along this. So cute. I'm excited.
I don't know what color you grab.
I just realized you took the whole picture.
I know, I was probably supposed to leave it there.
Oh, really?
Maybe if you look at
I don't know.
Should I bring it back?
We made it. I love the ocean so much. I think we could have been, because I recognize the construction, like the green one. That might have been like the Atami beach yesterday. Because we did see a castle. It's okay, it was good enough. I know, this boat is so cute. The white one is so hyper. Oh my god! Dude.